Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 131 of Surah Baqarah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. وإذ قال وإذ قال له ربه أسلم قال أسلمت لرب العالمين. إذ Hamza is a very sharp sound. For kasra, give E sound attached with dal. Dal will get rakhawa. The sound should flow very well. إذ the sound should flow, and that is a sound. It's not a breath. So there is a very great difference in breath and sound. إذ Qa is 2 counts long, and make sure you don't ever circle your lips for any heavy letter. To make any letter heavy, you will lift your tongue up to make it heavy. Okay. Qa, la is short, la short, ru 2 counts long. Ra is heavy whenever there is fatha or dhamma on ra. Ra should sound like ra. It's not rabbuhu, it's a ra, rabbu. And for dhamma, circle your lips, and the sound is short. Rabbu, hu 4 counts long. It's mad munfasil jaiz. Rabbuhu as. Hamza is a sharp sound for fatha. Open your jaws. Attached with seen as. So you will touch seen, you will give rakhawa, you will give safir, and the sound is light. Aslim for kasra, give E sound, and attached with meme, and meme you get tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Lin Umar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, gets sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Lim, aslim, qa. Again, don't ever circle your lips. And for fatha, open your jaws. It is at the most heaviest state. Qa, la is short. As Hamza is a sharp sound. For fatha, open your jaws. Attached with seen will get safir, rakhawa, and it will be light. S stands for Safir, R stands for Rakhawa. Rakhawa is a flow of sound. Aslam, lam, for fatha, open your jaws. Attached with meme will get tawassut. Lam, tu, for dhamma, circle your lips. And the sound is very short. Tu, li. For kasra, give E sound. Li, it's not le, it's li. Ra is heavy because whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is a heavy sound. Li rab, attached with ba, and there is kasra on ba, so make sure you give E sound and attach with lam. Don't drop this E sound. This kasra sound shouldn't be dropped when you are attaching with the sukoon letter coming up. Li rabbil, give tawassut. 2 counts long, and it should be from your throat very clearly. La is short. Me. When you are giving waqf at the end, you will give sukoon, and this is a temporary sukoon. Before temporary sukoon, if you find maharf mad, which is 2 counts long, will be converted into 4 definitely, because this is the mechanism of mad arid lis sukoon. So you will make it 4 counts long, and you will give tawassut surely on noon, because noon is, whenever noon is with sukoon, this will get sifa of tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.